This might look just like a monitor, but it just might be the most versatile display that you've been looking for. It swivels, it's 4K, it runs WebOS, and yes, it moves on wheels, letting you bring it anywhere with you around the house. And this is the Smart Monitor Swing from our sponsor LG. And this thing can replace your monitor and your smart TV, and it's got a few surprises you'll actually use. To start off, the biggest thing you might notice is the stand that the display sits on. And what's unique about the stand in particular is that it's fully adjustable, like moving up and down, side to side, and pivots, so it can be adjusted to the perfect angle and height that you want, which is really nice. I love that I can move it from room to room and anywhere in my home, making this display ultra portable thanks to its wheels on the bottom that actually glide pretty well. And my favorite part is that it pivots vertically, allowing me to watch vertical content, which is really nice to see. And did I mention that this thing is touchscreen? Yup, this thing is fully touchscreen, just like a giant tablet. And by far, it's my favorite feature of the display because I can take it anywhere in the house and use it like a large tablet for watching movies and shows. And I've actually used this to look up parts for my motorcycle with the built-in browser in my garage. Now onto the display itself. It's a 31.5 UHD 4K IPS panel with 350 nits of brightness, and it also has 95% DCI P3 color gamut, which is good enough for color grading or serious media work. And on top of that, the viewing angle is actually pretty impressive at 178 degrees, which is nice and viewable at practically any angle. Just look at this HDR video that's absolutely stunning with bright colors, nice dynamic range that pops out like a luxury TV. As far as software goes, this LG Smart Swing actually comes with WebOS that has all of my streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and 300 plus LG channels that are all built right into the display, which is awesome. Just imagine working from home and being able to quickly switch to some streaming service during a break, which is pretty cool. And the nice thing is that it's fully on its own, meaning that you don't have to have a laptop plugged in, so it makes this thing a really smart display. What's nice is that you can actually use your laptop as a keyboard and a mouse to control your display with the LG Switch app on your Mac or even Windows laptops. When you launch the LG Switch app on your Mac, you can connect to it wirelessly by finding your display right here in the drop-down menu. And once it's connected, you can make quick changes to the picture settings right here. You can even start a video call. And the best part is when you hit Shift Option Z, you can start controlling your display, allowing you to use this display to its full potential. And if you want the best multitasking, when you plug in the HDMI cable to the display, you have this menu that pops up for split view settings, and there's way more split screen options than the Mac's built-in software. And this is really nice for anyone that wants to take advantage of this massive screen. Now for casual gaming, this LG display actually has a gaming portal that when it's connected to a remote controller, you can play games on it like Fortnite, which is just crazy. Essentially, not needing a gaming console to play cloud games, which is pretty cool. And the sound that comes from the built-in 5-watt dual speakers is really good and loud enough for a portable display like this. Now for the connectivity that you get with this display, it's actually pretty nice to see that we have so many inputs on the back. Like we have 3 USB-C ports with one supporting 65-watt pass-through charging to any device that you plug in, and 2 HDMI 2.0 ports. And I've actually tried to use my iPad Pro with this USB-C cable, and it worked really well, allowing me to use it in full screen with Stage Manager. And on top of that, it kept my laptop and my iPad fully charged when connected to this screen. But it doesn't stop there. It also has wireless AirPlay, screen share, and Google Cast, which is pretty convenient for any device that you have at home. It'll connect to this display without a problem. I will say that it's pretty nice to have the amount of features that are built right into this thing in a portable display just like this. So with all that said, I'm pretty impressed with this LG Smart Monitor Swing. It's not just a display, but it's an actual flexible hub that adapts to whatever you want to use it for. Whether you're at home, at your desk, or even watching shows on your couch, this thing is pretty awesome. And the 4K resolution and the touchscreen controls with all of the streaming apps and even the gaming hubs built in, which are pretty awesome. So go ahead and check this thing out for yourself by using all the links in the video description and the pinned comment below, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and hit that button above to subscribe. Click over there for another video, and we'll see you in the next one.